enhla nasemzansi eNingizimu Afrika sesambe safika khona la eMelville. Love Books, they're one of our strongest bookshops supporting ngencwadi. So today the last 2 weeks we dropped the Pin of Knowledge, umgqomo wolwazi, for abantu ukuthi ba donate incwadi, buy books and donate all books and so on. So today we just came to do a site visit sizobona ukuthi ikhamba kanjani, and it's amazing guys, umsebenzi abantu bakithi abasenzela wona, indlela abasixhasa ngayo. It's almost full, usuzogcwala wona. So sizothatha ezinye incwadi, sophinde sibuye after 2 weeks sizoshaya check up sibone ukuthi ikhamba kanjani, and then we saying abantu cela siyacela mebefika le store athathe nje incwadi yabantwana ayidonate lana to Siyafunda Donate a Book, and find us on social media, Siyafunda Donate a Book, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, sikhona bafethu, follow us, and then siphusheni lo msebenzi and say no rural child left behind. So 7 mfana kethu.
And asikhethi bantu bakithi sizivuma kwancwadi lana ungazibona zonke sine fiction, sine non fiction, sinama dictionary. So please nonke bangizani izosiza lana sizofaka incwadi lana sincede ingane lapha yana ifunde.
Gola,
please ningahlali lapha endlini ninencwadi ezigcwele ningenzile. Sala nizise khona.